I got these shits from the homie Leo. They're Acceleras 215/40. Just some drift spares whenever I want to slide. Put these in the other side. So these are my wheels. I already have tires on here. They're 215/45. But I'm gonna try to get some other wheels so I could throw these 215/40s on them, and then I have these other two. So in total, now I have 6 tires, and so I only have 2 wheels but 6 tires. So I need more rims. So when I go to the next drift event, I'm good to go. Brought the Lexus in because ever since we put those spindles on last video, it gave me some toe out because it went down. I'm gonna adjust some toe in, and then we're gonna head down to Fontana for Best Tire Shop so they can align me perfect. So I made my adjustments. Hopefully it's good. It looks a little toe out in my opinion. Obviously the fender's fucked, but just looking at it sideways like that, I don't know. Can't tell. Fenders are fucked. But from looking from behind, looks like the steering wheel is gonna be crooked just a little bit. Watch. We'll take it for a little test drive. But we'll get a little zoom action there. So let's see, a quick little test drive around the block. So the steering wheel driving straight. It's a little crooked to the left. Maybe we can make a little adjustment and see how it works out. Yeah, it's a little crooked. But pulling wise, it's pulling to the right. So we'll have to make some adjustments. We'll see.
Few moments later.
So it does feel better, and the wheel's also straight. So I think this is how we're gonna send it to Best Tire, and they can make all the small adjustments that are needed so that everything is Gucci and my tires do not wear out bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick shower, head to the barber shop, and then we're gonna head to Best Tire Shop. Haircut is done. I need fenders ASAP. Bang my line. I need 2 fenders, driver, passenger side. So I'm currently editing the video. But pretty much what happened yesterday, I went to the alignment shop and then they told me, yo, I can't do your alignment. I have too many people. We close at 6. So he couldn't do the alignment, so I came all the way back, and I was talking to Leo, and fortunately he was like, yo, I'll take it for you. Just give me the money. I'll pick it up early in the morning and I'll take it for you. I was like, are you sure? He's like, yeah, bro, I'll take it for you. Shouts out to Leo for sure. He will bring it to work because I work today. He'll bring my car to work, and we should have an aligned car later. So we got my boy Leo. Shouts out Leo. Shouts out Jesse. They're about to take the Lexus. It's early morning. You can see I got my boffy. But we're about to they're gonna take the Lexus, gonna go get aligned at Best Tire since they couldn't do it yesterday, post ordeal. But they're gonna get a couple clips. So you guys drive safe.
Later, buddy.
Thank you, thank you.
I would like some money.
Thank you. Oh yeah, money. I'm about to go to work. We got the new whip, aka Leo's whip. Let's get to work. Wow, fancy.
12 seconds later.
All right, guys, I'm with Jesse now. We just left Brian's. We actually came and we out right now to go get an alignment on Jesse's and Brian's car. So, feeling a little bit on the way over there. All right, guys, so we're at Best Tire. My boy Jesse about to get his alignment too. They got Brian's car right up on the lift, or alignment rack, I should say. All right, guys, so me and Jesse are currently going back to town. I'm gonna go to Brian's work and actually trade him cars. I'm gonna get my car from him, and I'm gonna give him his car back. The car actually feels super great, feels super solid. I'm low-key jealous. I really want to make my car my GS 5-speed now, so we'll see about that. Yeah, so the car feels super solid, drives good. I gotta let go of the steering wheel now. It'll drive straight. Feels super duper good. Loki got the car sideways earlier and felt good.
I just clocked out for work. The wheel is straight. It drives really smooth. I went on lunch and I drove it, so it's pretty awesome. I just want to give a big shout out to my boy Leo, and Jesse tagged along with him, so thanks to you too, Jesse, for taking the car, taking your time to go get this aligned. While they were there, Smurfin WRX actually was there and was tripping on how much camera I had in the front. It was pretty funny. They were sending me pictures, and he actually interviewed Jesse because of his LS 430, so that's pretty sick. So look out for his channel, Smurfin WRX, to see that interview maybe. He also said he kind of wants to collab with Broke Boys in the future. That's pretty sick, so we'll see about that. Other than that, alignment is done, so that pretty much concludes this short video. I'm pretty sure it's short, it's not that long. But shouts out to them. I'm sure Leo got some clips, so I'm sure I already inserted them, and if not, I'll insert them now. And yeah, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.